ऑडिबल? आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
सुन रहा है ना।
ओके। सो क्या हुआ, मैंने इसलिए वीडियो बंद किया सो दैट आई कैन बी ऑडिबल।
अभी सुन रहा है अच्छे से।
ओके, तो आज मैं जैसे आपने एक एक्सेप्टेंस का बताया था, तो आई वाज डूइंग इट, है ना। मेरा थोड़ा सा आर्ग्यूमेंट भी हो गया टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग, थोड़ा बहुत ही छोटे लेवल पे। एंड आप जो विजिट कराते हो तो वो अपने आप दिमाग में रहता है, दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे। आप तब तो टैपिंग के साथ कर लेते हो एंड इट इज देयर इन योर माइंड, सो यू कैन गाइड, आई कैन गाइड माई सेल्फ थ्रू आउट द अदर, तभी मीन्स कन्वर्सेशन में आई कैन गाइड माई सेल्फ। आई वॉज गेटिंग दिस गाइडेंस, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है कि आई फाइंड, जैसे आप बोलते हो क्रिएटिव वे निकलता है ना, आई वॉज वंडरिंग कि कैसे क्रिएटिव ऐसे हो सकते हैं, अदरवाइज पहले बिल्कुल क्रिएटिव ऐसा नहीं आता था मन में कि ऐसा नहीं है। बट आज मैंने वो थोड़ा सा किया तो आई वॉज फीलिंग थ्रोइंग अप, जैसे मोशन सिकनेस में थ्रोइंग अप होता है ना, वो हुआ। उसके ऊपर मैंने टैपिंग नहीं किया बिकॉज दैट वाज ड्यूरिंग द वर्क टाइम, मैं कर रही थी कन्वर्सेशन के टाइम, थोड़ा आर्गुमेंट भी थोड़ा सा हुआ था स्लाइटली, देन आई चेंज्ड इट, बट मेरे को अंदर से थ्रोइंग अप जैसा फीलिंग आया। मैं वो ऐसे होता है क्या?
Yeah, in fact all these are symptoms of something coming up for releasing.
तो मेरे को पता नहीं क्या था, तो मैंने वहां चेंज कर दिया, लेकिन वो अभी भी आई कैन
तो
फील दैट वो
मोशन काम के बीच में थे, लेकिन उसके ऊपर अभी टैपिंग करना चाहिए तुझे। आज ही हुआ ना?
हाँ, आज ही मॉर्निंग में हुआ, 2 घंटे पहले।
अभी अपन करते हैं उसके ऊपर।
ठीक है, आप करा दें। तो फिर मेरे को ऐसे आई कैन स्टिल फील दैट, वो फीलिंग अभी भी मेरे जैसे पेट से आता नहीं है ना, नॉसिया जैसे, हाँ मोशन सिकनेस में जैसे आती है, आपको उल्टी नहीं आती है बट यू कैन फील दैट नॉसिया काइंड ऑफ,
वो जी घबराना और जी मिचलाना और वो सब,
हाँ वो सेम
अनकंफर्टेबल फीलिंग होती है।
हाँ तो इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, स्लाइट सा था। आई वाज वंडरिंग, अदरवाइज मेरे को
उसको निकाल देते हैं, हो सकता है एक बार बढ़ेगी, अभी टैपिंग करेंगे तो हो सकता है बढ़ भी जाए, वो निकलने के लिए एक बार निकलेगा और गैस जैसे निकल के यू विल फील परफेक्टली फाइन। अभी करते हैं। पायल, कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई विद व्हाट रुपिंदर इज सेइंग?
चलो
Payal,
hello,
can you identify with what Rupinder is saying?
No ma'am, I couldn't hear it properly. She's having the motion sickness and she felt like throwing up today because she had an argument. Is that the gist of it?
That's right. So have you ever felt like this?
I don't feel like, but I feel weakness in my body. I immediately sense a sort of when there is an anxious moment. And if I have gone beyond my threshold of the anxiety, then I get, I feel weak from within.
Yeah, different people will feel differently. Okay, so Payal, uska abhi bhi live hai wo feeling, so we will both become Rupinder and do one tapping.
Okay, मेरे को ऐसा लाइव नहीं है, जब मैं उस चीज को याद करती हूँ तब लाइव हो जाता है।
हाँ, तो अभी याद किया ना, तभी तो उसको हील कर सकते हैं। नहीं तो पास्ट में जाके तो नहीं कर सकते ना, पास्ट वाला जब प्रेजेंट में लाइव लगता है,
राइट,
तभी उसको हील कर सकते हैं।
2-3 घंटे, हाँ 2-3 घंटे पहले हुआ
ना। मैम, अनुभूत विषय संप्रमोश स्मृति, नो?
यस, अरे वाह,
प्रमोश स्मृति,
बिल्कुल सही कनेक्ट किया। अनुभूत विषय संप्रमोश स्मृति। Excellent. Wow, Payal, that's really presence of mind.
Thank you. It feels so nice when it comes from an expert, this kind of this kind of encouraging and boosting of morale.
How nice. Chal, we'll do the first step, Payal. Even though?
Yes, ma'am. मैंने mute किया था. Yes. मैंने अपने आप को. Even though I'm Rupinder.
I deeply and completely.
Love.
Forgive. And accept myself. Rupinder, join. Even though.
Yes, ma'am.
Even
though.
I'm feeling like vomiting. This conversation made me feel like that. I deeply and completely.
Love. love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
Even though
Even though
Even though
this feeling of nausea is very discomforting,
this
this
feeling
feeling
of
of
nausea
nausea is
is
really
very
discomforting,
discomforting,
I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept myself.
Even though
Even though
Even though
I got into this argument
I got
I
into
got
this
into this argument,
and I'm feeling like vomiting,
and I'm
I
feeling
feel
like
like vomiting.
I deeply and completely
I
I
deeply and
deeply and
completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and
forgive,
accept myself.
and accept myself.
and accept
Tap the eyebrow
myself.
point, this argument.
This
This
argument,
argument,
Eye end point, feeling like vomiting.
feeling like vomiting.
like
Below the
vomiting.
eyes, this argument.
This argument,
Below
This
the nose, this
argument,
discomforting nausea.
this discomforting
this
notion,
discomforting
Chin group,
nausea.
this argument.
this argument,
This
Below the
argument,
collarbone, this discomfort.
this discomfort,
discomfort,
Below the armpit, this feeling of vomiting.
this feeling of
this
vomiting,
of
On the
vomiting.
lower ribs, this argument.
this argument,
Argument,
Thumbnail, this nausea.
this nausea,
nausea,
Thumbnail, this discomfort.
this discomfort,
discomfort,
Middle finger, this argument.
this argument,
Little
this
finger, this
argument,
nausea.
this nausea.
Karate
this
chop.
nausea.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I
Till I
deeply and
deeply and
completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
I
free
choose
from
to
this
be
feeling of nausea,
free from this feeling of
free
nausea,
from this feeling
free
of
from this
nausea,
argument,
free from this argument,
free
free
from
from
this
this
argument,
discomfort,
free from this
free
discomfort,
from this discomfort.
and I deeply and completely
and I deeply and completely
And I deeply and
love,
completely
love,
forgive,
love
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from this argument,
free from this
free
argument,
from this argument,
free from this feeling of vomiting,
free from this
free
feeling,
from this feeling of vomiting,
totally free from this discomforting feeling.
totally free from
totally
this
free from
discomfort,
this discomforting feeling.
And I deeply and completely
and I deeply and
And I
completely
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
forgive,
and
forgive,
accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept
I
myself.
choose to be
I choose to be
I choose to be
completely free
completely free
completely free
from this argument,
from this
from
argument,
argument,
completely free from this nausea,
completely
free
free from
from
this
this
yeah,
nausea,
completely free from this discomfort,
completely free from this
completely free from
discomfort,
this discomfort.
and I deeply and completely
and I deeply
And
and
I
completely
deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
accept myself.
Eyebrow point, free from this feeling of vomiting.
Free from this
Free
feeling of
from this feeling of
Eye end point,
vomiting.
free from this argument.
free from this
Free from this
Below the
argument.
eyes, free from this discomfort.
free from
Free
this
from this discomfort.
Below the nose, free from this argument.
free from this argument,
Free from
Chin
this
group,
argument.
free from this feeling like vomiting.
free from this
Free
feeling like
from this feeling like
Below the collarbone,
vomiting.
free from this discomfort.
free from this
Free from
discomfort,
this feeling of
Below the
discomfort.
armpit, free from this nausea.
free from this
On the
Nausea.
lower ribs, free from this argument.
free from this argument,
Free from this
On the
argument.
thumbnail, free from this discomfort.
free from this
Free from this
discomfort,
discomfort.
Finger, free from this argument.
Free from this argument.
Middle finger, free from this discomfort.
free from this
Free from
discomfort,
this
Little
discomfort.
finger, free from this nausea.
free from
Free
this
from this
nausea,
Karate
nausea.
chop. And I deeply and completely
and I deeply and
And I
completely
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. वो जो भी थोड़ी सी feeling थी रुपिंदर, if that was 10, how much is it now?
I can give 3.
अभी भी 3 है, ये देखो तुम कह रही थी थोड़ी सी, so even that थोड़ी सी भी कितनी strong है, तो सोचो आपका उस समय कितना strong रहा होगा निकलना. थोड़ी देर बैक ऑफ पाम पे टैपिंग करो. अच्छा, which of these 3 words sounded best for you? Discomfort,
free from this feeling of nausea.
हाँ, तो उसके ऊपर वही खाली बोल के I choose to be free from the feeling of nausea पे 2-3 मिनट टैपिंग करो बैक ऑफ पाम पे और इस 3 को 0 पे ले आओ. ठीक है, वेरी गुड.
यस मैम.
यस, पायल तुम बोलो अभी. What do you have to share?
I connected with this in the sense बीच में मैं जो मेरा argument हुआ था last night. So with my, of course, with my daughter. Again on the this, of course, it improved after I spoke to you, and I worked on it. But exams nazdeek aa rahe, so there was an argument, and of course I left it, and now I leave it to you. I leave it to you. Your style, this thing, wo alag baat hai. But it went on to something like being irresponsible. So she asked me that, do you think I'm irresponsible? So I said, as far as your studies are concerned, you're doing well. But there are certain things which I feel you're irresponsible, like your clothes lying anywhere, your books lying all over the house, all these things. I told her. So she takes me seriously. I sensed it. So immediately मेरे में guilt आ गया. I hope I haven't overtold her. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोला है. तो वो mixed feeling जो है, of course we always make up that I still love you. She also comes up to me. I also go to her. Because I'm dealing. She's right here in the same room, ma'am. वो मुझे बोली, why are you telling other people about this? It is to resolve, beta.
I'm telling about you. I'm telling about myself.
It's more about myself, beta, what I go through. And it is, ma'am teaches a technique to get over it.
Yeah.
So I was feeling guilty कि मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं बोल दिया. So it's affecting me in that sense. अगर ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, बच्चे को affect तो नहीं हो रहा है. You know, that's what you always feel. So when I was doing this right now, I was tapping that also. वो automatic हो गया.
देखा कैसे connect होता है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Group tapping has a tremendous help, yeah.
So immediately ये आ गया incident because I was
correct.
वो back of the mind था ही.
Correct. हाँ, इसलिए वो tapping करती तो उभर के आया. Yes, even I need to heal.
Yes. I need to heal.
तो तुम्हारा यदि वो आया उस समय, तो वो जो भी charge था, अभी भी है या हुआ कम? कम हुआ तो फिर उसको 0 पे ले आओ. I choose to be free from this argument. Or whichever thing vibe with you. तुम भी थोड़ी देर back of palm करो क्योंकि इसको 0 पे लाए बिना आगे बढ़ने में मतलब नहीं है.
Okay. I choose to be free.
कर लो 0 कर लो उसको.
Free from this argument.
Yeah. Mind में करो.
Then completely.
No, just choose to be free from this argument.
Choose to be free.
I choose to be free.
और या guilt बोलो. Argument and guilt both था मैम.
Argument and guilt, हाँ. Okay, वो दोनों बोलो चलेगा.
I choose to be free from this argument and guilt.
I choose to be free. No, I choose to be free from this argument. I choose to be free from this guilt.
Okay.
Alternate करके दोनों बोलो. And in the mind. Totally concentrate करके बोलो.
Okay. And I deeply and completely तो बोलूँ ना मैम साथ में? नहीं. Okay.
Just this much.
There's like no harm.
क्या कर रही है शायद?
मेरा हो गया.
अपने को मेरे.
हाँ, पायल भी आ गई. अब बोल.
So ma'am, but 0 हुआ कि नहीं पता नहीं है.
Doesn't matter as long as you're not feeling it now anymore. That's okay. लेकिन वो पड़ जाता है.
Okay ma'am. Okay.
समझ में आने लगता है वो. रुपिंदर क्या हुआ, तेरी आवाज वापस गई या बोल नहीं रही?
Okay, ma'am. Yes. I know what you're saying.
बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है मैम, बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है क्या?
अभी आ रही है।
हेलो,
Now I can hear you. I can hear.
हाँ,
जैसे पायल ने बोला मैम, हुआ कि नहीं ऐसे हमें भी कभी कभी होता है, लेकिन आफ्टर वाइल आई एम काइंड ऑफ बहुत ओके हो जाती हूँ. इट डजंट गिव मी एनी डिस्कम्फर्ट एट ऑल.
वो होता क्या है, हमने अपने आप को सिखा रखा है,
वही नॉटिया वाला फीलिंग ना अभी.
हमने अपने आप को ये ट्रेन कर रखा है ना, सिखा रखा है ना कि
मैम
don't have time.
मैम का पिक्चर हो गया है. I can hear you, Rupinder.
हमने अपने आप को ट्रेन कर रखा है.
वो रहता है ना, so you're not sure whether ये जाएगा कि नहीं. You're not confident of that because बहुत साल learn किया है. To unlearn that will also take time.
हाँ, इनफैक्ट इसका यूज करके तुम अनलर्न जल्दी कर सकते हो.
जी मैम, yes I agree there.
है ना?
Yes.
अनलर्निंग के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा काम करता है ये.
We can do this step on unlearning also, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा काम करता है उसपे.
Yes, because unlearning is the most important thing. I think so.
Yeah. Doctor would always say conditioning, deconditioning, and reconditioning.
Yes.
So when people come to yoga, उनको पहले थोड़ा कंडीशनिंग करवाते हैं तो उनको समझ में आता है कि क्या चीज है जो अटक रही है, तो उसको डीकंडीशनिंग कराने का. And then recondition them to yoga.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
चलो पायल, अब बोल, तेरे को किस चीज पे काम करना है?
मुझे काम करना है this learning and unlearning.
कौन सी चीज अनलर्निंग के लिए ऊपर आ रही है अभी?
मुझे अनलर्न करनी है on my certain beliefs that I cannot change.
I cannot change.
Yes. Belief है.
You believe that you cannot change.
Your mental patterns you cannot change. अभी काफी
सुधार हुआ है. बहुत लोगों को ये होता है, लेकिन फिर भी अंदर से वो बिलीफ आने में टाइम लगता है.
हाँ जी.
ऊपर से वो प्रूफ जब हो रहा है, it requires good number of proofs for you to change your belief.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Fine, very good. We can tap on that. Rupinder, I'm sure you also can.
Yes, ma'am.
Vibe with it. Chalo,
I can vibe with it.
Even I can. There are some beliefs which I have ignored. वो सरफेस में वो आ जाती. कई बार तुम लोगों के साथ में टैपिंग करते करते मेरा खुद का क्लियर हो जाता है, मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता है.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure.
चलो. Even though I believe I cannot change.
I believe I cannot change.
My mental pattern, they cannot change at all.
My mental patterns cannot change at all.
How can they change?
How can they change?
They've been with me for so long.
They've been with me for so long.
It's always been like that.
It's always been.
I identify with them. In fact, they are my identity.
In fact, they
are my identity.
They cannot change.
They cannot change.
They cannot change.
Still, I deeply and completely.
Still, I deeply and completely.
Love, forgive, and accept myself. Just find it. Even though I believe I cannot change.
I believe I cannot change. Give me 5 minutes.
My mental pattern cannot change.
My mental pattern.
My mental pattern cannot change.
I deeply and completely.
I deeply and
I deeply and completely.
Love. Forgive. And accept myself.
And accept
myself.
Even though I cannot change.
I cannot
change.
Mental pattern cannot change.
My mental pattern cannot change.
I deeply and completely.
I deeply and completely.
Love.
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
accept.
myself.
Tap the eyebrow point. I cannot change.
I cannot change.
Eye end point. My mental pattern cannot change.
My mental pattern cannot change.
Below the eyes. I believe so.
I believe so.
Below the nose. I cannot change.
I cannot
change.
Chin group. The mental pattern cannot change.
Mental patterns cannot
change.
Below the collar. It's my belief.
It is my belief.
Below the armpit. I cannot change.
I cannot
change.
On the lower ribs. My mental pattern cannot change.
My mental pattern cannot change.
Mental pattern cannot change.
It's my belief. Forefinger. I cannot change.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
The mental pattern cannot change.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Okay.
I can.
Little finger. It's my belief.
Change.
Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself.
Still, I deeply and completely.
I choose to.
I choose to.
Let go of my belief.
I choose to let go of my belief.
And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to. Let go of my mental pattern.
Let go of
my mental pattern.
And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to. Feel safe and comfortable. In changing myself. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the eyebrow point. Safe and comfortable to change. Tap the eye end point. Let go my mental pattern. Below the eyes. Let go. Below the nose. Safe and comfortable. Grow. Let go. Below the collarbone. Safe and comfortable. Below the armpits. Let go. On the lower ribs. Safe and comfortable. On the thumbnail. Let go. Forefinger. Safe and comfortable. Middle finger. Let go. Little finger. Safe and comfortable. Karate chop. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.
Ma'am, and I also thought that after this I could add a positive statement like that I have full faith and confidence in myself that I can change it. Correct? Okay, ma'am.
Perfect. And you will need to do this more often, both of you. In fact, all three of us, me too. But don't just do only this generic. There may be something particular that you will come across that, yeah, this I find I cannot change. So if a particular thought a particular thought process, because you also talk your mental pattern. So if you can recognize any at a particular time, do it specific on that. Then it will have a greater impact, because then the dent will be made in that wall of that belief.
Okay, yes. Thank you, ma'am. That's
yes.
true.
Great. Thank you. Good, Payal. You said it very well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this wonderful thing. I'm going to do this every day, because we all need to change our...
We all. और every day करो तो किसी भी specific के ऊपर करना. उस दिन जो सामने आता है ना,
हाँ जी,
specific छोटा सा ही हो, but it will go a long way.
Long way.
मैम मेरे को बहुत होता है, I see too many wrong and too many right things side. Wrong things बहुत ज्यादा, मैं उसको बहुत ज्यादा जज.
थोड़ा देखो क्या होगा, शुरू के अंदर ऐसा लगेगा कि अच्छा ये एक ही ठीक हुआ, लेकिन वो एक ठीक हो गया जो अच्छा लगता है ना,
वो बहुत जरूरी
4-5 इकट्ठा जब हो जाते हैं ना, then the whole thing goes away along with it.
Yes,
मैं बहुत ज्यादा जज करती हूँ, ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. द पर्सन मतलब कि अंदर कन्वर्सेशन बहुत चलती है, मैं उसको स्टॉप करना चाहती हूँ. राइट,
बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक है.
हाँ, आई डोंट स्पीक आउट मच. ये कभी भी
बोलोगे तो दूसरे समझे कि पागल है, सारे दिन करती रहती है.
नहीं मैम, उसका प्रॉब्लम ठीक करे ना करे, मैं उससे ज्यादा टेंशन ले लेती हूँ. राइट, ये मेरे को लगता है.
हाँ, तो पहले टेंशन निकालना और फिर उसको चेंज के ऊपर ट्राई करना.
टेंशन नहीं, मींस आई गेट इरिटेटेड लाइक.
हाँ, तो जो भी होता है, इरिटेशन होता है तो पहले इरिटेशन को निकालना.
Then I need to change my belief after that.
Work on that change.
Ma'am, I need to. Ma'am, I have to go to office. Thank you.
Yes, it's already time up.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. Bye.